Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video, which is our second video for the day, I shall be discussing on some of the shares and their news. The first one is Reliance Industries Limited, as being one of the key players of the Indian stock market. Last traded at 1662.90 rupees, that is 47.55 points in upside, whereas in percentage wise it was noted that it went upward by 2.94%. This stock has been doing quite well. If you see, its market capitalization is near to 11 trillion rupees, whereas there is another deal which is on the way and is yet to be finalized. The share has made its new 52-week high. Apart from that, there is another share to be discussed, that is Hindustan Unilever Limited. As discussed earlier, this share is a must-have on your portfolio. It is a very good stock, fundamentally strong, debt-free stock. So it is a have must on the portfolio. Right now it is trading at 2067 rupees, which as per the day it went low by 11.25 points. In percentage wise it was 0.54% down. The next share to be discussed is the Avenue Supermarkets, that is D-Mart. The share has been trading at 2348 rupees. In terms of points, it is in the plus by 7.60 points, and in percentage wise it has improved by 0.32% today. If there is a news in this share, the owner of the company, Mr. Radha Krishna Dhavani, is considering to take controls of Indian Cements. So this is one of the news that is coming in. Although the stock has not been affected by this deal in any terms, but we can witness some kind of movement in near future if this deal comes to a close. The next stock to discuss is State Bank of India. The bank traded at 180 rupees, which is up by 7.05 points, whereas in percentage it is 4.08% up. It has improved and recovered from its quite diminishing values reported previously, and it has gone upwards, especially today in the later half it shoot up quite very well. The next thing is regarding Bajaj Finserv Limited. The stock rose significantly for the day, that is 8.22% of hike was witnessed over there. The stock is was last traded at 5450.75 rupees, which is 413.80 points up. The stock has been doing significantly good. Apart from that, there is another stock which has shown a significant move. In fact, it is considered as one of the topmost winners for the day, that is Muthoot Finance Limited, which was seen last traded as 1160.30 rupees, which is up by 160.65 points up. In percentage was, it was witnessed that it moved up by 16.07%, which is significantly a good rally for the day. The stock has reported its quarter results previously, and it has been observed that it has reported profits in its quarter results, and since then a bullish rally could be observed within it. Well, that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel. Also at the same time hit the bell icon for timely updates. I would also request you to share this video in your contacts, so that this channel grows further. I wish you the very best for your future trade. Till then, take care and bye bye.